take 7 here. God damn, I suck at this. What up everybody, this is Chris from Shot by the Robot. I'm a photographer based in Colorado, and I just want to make a quick video about something I do that I don't see a lot of other photographers do that I think looks cool, can help with your branding, help you stay organized, and that's making custom lens caps for your lenses. I personally think this is just really cool, really fun, and I think it does help you stay organized. It does serve a purpose on top of just being aesthetically pleasing. I put my logo on everything. Got it on my batteries, and while it just lets me know my batteries are mine, but also face up means they're alive, face down means they're dead. Serves a purpose, plus aesthetically pleasing. X Pro 2 here, got it on there, marked it as mine. Plus, it's, X Pro 2 is a pretty plain camera. If I'm around other Fuji shooters who might shoot the same thing, it just helps differentiate stuff. Aesthetically pleasing, plus it does serve a little bit of a purpose. Also on these ones, I got it on everything. And I think on this one, having it on your lenses, especially if you're like me and you like to shoot messenger style bags, I have my lens face down in my bag so they take up the least amount of room. And I have this on the bottom here, and that helps me just look down at a glance, see the lens. So I have that on all of my lenses here. What's this? The 135 f2.8, that's my here. And then on the 56 here, sorry, I gotta block my face, right? And then get in there so we can focus. Oh my God, focus. There we go. Now we're in focus. So I just think that's something that's real cool that you can easily do. It's cheap. I get it from Moo.com. I've been using Moo for almost a decade now, making business cards back when I was a freelance graphic designer. And now that I do photography on the side of my day job, this is, I've always used them for my business cards for years. Great quality, and the fact that they allow you to print multiple different pictures on their cards, A+. And customer service is great too. This is not sponsored, by the way. I've just been shopping with Moo for a long time, but if Moo wants to hook your boy up. So way you make this worth it, because a pack of stickers is about $13 or so after shipping, if you're in the States. If I got my numbers right, I'm not looking. So I'll put a little thing here, a little thing where I say exactly how much they are, but I think they're about $13 for a pack. So what I did was I created all these. And what I did was I actually went over not just the lenses I own, but any lens I might want to own, or any lens I might just get in the future due to, just having needed a workhorse lens. Like, I don't really shoot zooms, but I put the, what was it? The 16 to 55 2.8 lens on here just because I might need that in the future, just because it's a workhorse zoom lens that, relatively fast aperture with a wide range in case I need that type of thing. So I put that all on here. I also made some blank ones just in case I miss a lens, or a lens comes out in the future that I don't have on here. So on this one, 2 lenses I have here. This is a 24mm f2 and then 16-1.4. I got the 16-1.4 because Moo makes multiples. You kind of almost, unless you, or I made sure I had multiples just because. And let's say I sell this lens and I buy it again in the future or something like that, or I lose the lens cap. I want to make sure I have another one on here. 24 f2, I think that was a film lens that I thought about possibly buying as a talking head lens because I wanted 24 f2, but I actually, literally, like I said, literally just on a whim went on eBay. It was like, is this a lens I might want to get in the future? Okay, put this on here. On this one, I have the 56-1.2. I made these actually before I owned that lens, so shout out to that. 90mm f2 is definitely a lens I'm interested in the future, so I put that on here. 135 f2.8, I have it right over here. That's one of my film lenses that I keep on guard. 85mm 1.8, that's the Viltrox lens. Not really interesting me right now, but could be a thought. So literally put it on there. Literally just, hey, would I ever use this lens? Maybe. Made it on there just because you get so many of these. If you only use just your lenses, unless you make the rest of them blank, not really worth it. I mean, you're a photographer, you spent more on less, but trying to make it worth your while here. So I have some blanks on there. Here again, some just maybes. The 50mm 1.1, 50mm 1.0, 50mm 1.4, that's my Nikon lens that I have for my dad's camera. 50mm f2 in case maybe I don't need the 56mm and I sell it and I buy the 50mm 1.2 f2. Like literally, these are just maybes, and I think that's the way to make it worth it. And then, like I said, I do have some blanks on here, as already mentioned. Some blanks right here. Oh, there we go. Block my face. Blank right there. In case I get a surprise lens or Fuji puts out a lens in the future that I just didn't put on here, and I don't want to buy a whole new pack just for that. And you throw it on your lens, and I just think, like I said, just put it in your bag, face down, especially if you're shooting messenger style. Or maybe even if you're in a backpack, but you put it face down so it takes up less room. Literally zip your bag, or if you're like me, flip your flap, look down. This lens is right there. Maybe you have an assistant with you. Maybe you have your girlfriend helping you, your friend helping you. And even if they are photographers, they don't know what your lens looks like. And I have, like, they don't, you know, they got to pull your whole lens out just to see that 56 right there. Like, or they can see that big logo right there and it says 56mm 1.2, you know? So I think that helps, because even if you have someone who's knowledgeable, unless they know your gear and knows what it looks like, this will help. Instead of having to look at the top of each lens, pull it out, look at it. No, right here. And I think that's something that is both aesthetically pleasing. I feel good having my logo on all my stuff. Just, you know, just makes me feel good. I'm not gonna front. I'm a little bit of a possessive person, so it is what it is. But I think it also serves a purpose, and it can help get you organized if you just have everything in your bag, you look straight down, boom, boom. And of course, you know, lens caps will get mixed and everything, but keep it as organized as you can, because you need to know, hey, if my 35 cap's on this one, but I got my 35 on here, you know what it is. I think it's just a little tip that can help someone, you know, out there stay organized and make you feel better just having your stuff on things. So I hope that helped anybody. I hope you do it. If you do it, please, you know, comment, tag me. I want to see what your caps look like, because, you know, maybe I want to redesign mine next year or maybe later this summer, because they're pretty plain, just my logo and some words. I might want to get a little fancy, put some script on it or something like that. But just let me know if you're digging that. If you did think this was a cool idea and you're enjoying it and you might want to do it, of course, give me that thumbs up. If you enjoy these type of videos, please subscribe. You know how the YouTube game goes. Help me, help you, help me with the algorithms. Peace.